guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ria and आपने टाइटल तो पढ़ा ही होगा. So I'm going to Alibag for beach camping. So I'm in a cab right now. We are going to Gateway of India. From there we'll catch a ferry and reach Alibag. So this camping place is at Revdanda Beach. It is at a few kilometers from Alibag. एंड इट इज़ अ सेक्लूडेड बीच. ज़्यादा लोग वहाँ पे नहीं होते जितना मैंने पढ़ा है और सुना है. और हमने थोड़े दिन पहले ही वी थॉट कि वी हैव टू गो टू कैंपिंग. बहुत लोग जा रहे हैं एंड बहुत मज़ा भी कर रहे हैं. सो वी ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट काइंड ऑफ फन. एंड बिफोर दिस वी डिड नॉट नो कि अलीबाग पे बीच कैंपिंग होता है. बट एज सुन एज वी गॉट टू नो वी वर लाइक दैट्स इट, वी आर गोइंग हियर ओनली. So yes, so we got this deal for 1200 rupees per person, which we think is quite reasonable. But you need to watch this video till the end to know what are the things included and what are the things excluded in this deal. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, I've reached Gateway of India and the queue for ferry is like too long. मतलब बहुत लंबी लाइन है because और इंक्वायरिंग भी फाउंड आउट कि लो टाइड की वजह से बहुत सारे फेरीज कैंसिल हो गए. सो अभी एक ही फेरी है शायद रिसेंट जो डायरेक्टली 4 बजे की है. एंड आई एम लाइक अभी क्या करें, ऑप्शन नहीं. और गाइस, दिस इज द गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया. दिस इज ताज होटल. And by the way, this reminds me, if you haven't watched my previous vlog of the sunrise at Gateway, then do watch it. The link will be given in the description box below. And this is the queue for the ferry. So long. And guys, ये है ferries to go to Alibag. Like I said, low tide की वजह से सारे cancel हो गए. And we are going to be super late. So we were supposed to reach at campsite at 4 p.m. But then since we got to know कि 4 p.m. को ही ferry आने वाली है, तो of course हमें 6 तो बज ही जाएंगे. But let's see अभी कैसे होता है. So I'm in the queue right now and अलीबाग जाने के लिए 3 ferries होते हैं. एक है PNP, एक है मालदार and एक है अजंता. Hey guys, we are finally in the ferry and it's 3:30 p.m. Of course we are late, but at least हमें ferry तो मिल गई. And we are in Ajanta ferry. It takes 1.5 hour approximately. We heard people saying this. ये ferry सबसे ज़्यादा time लेती है, but then हमारे पास कोई और option नहीं था. Maximum ferries were cancelled. So yes, and it is 135 rupees per person. So we have reached Mandwa and we are rushing to catch the bus because it gets full very fast and we are in so much hurry. Oh my god, there is a queue. There is a queue for the bus as well. So the bus just arrived, but I don't think we are gonna get in because already the queue was too much. So guys, we are in the bus, but it is super crowded. Hey guys, we have finally reached the campsite at Revdanda Beach and it took us a lot of time. I did not shoot anything in between because what would I shoot? It was a crowded bus, then a crowded tum-tum and a lot of hectic traveling. I was really not in the mood to shoot all that. But then I'm telling you, it is very, it's kind of tough to reach here. But then we got down at Revdanda High School, and a camping guy came to pick us up. That was generous. And once we got here, the people are really nice. There are a lot of people actually. So we got our hands sanitized and then. So guys, हमें यहाँ पे 4 बजे पहुँचना था and we are late by not less than 3 hours. We are 3 hours late. So schedule ऐसा था कि we were supposed to reach here by 4. Then we were supposed to get welcome drinks, फिर unlimited misal pav, then barbecue, paneer, chicken, whatever, and then dinner, and then I guess DJ night. So since we are running very late, तो मुझे लगा कि सब आधी चीज़ें तो मिस हो जाएंगी बट नहीं, हमारा सिर्फ वेलकम ड्रिंक मिस हुआ है बट वी हैव बीन सर्व मिसल पाव एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. फाइनली हम कुछ खा रहे हैं. We are hungry since a lot of time. So this is the misal pav. And this is our view. There are so many tents. This is our tent. This is the interior. The bed sheet is already provided. We have also got our extra bed sheets, but still. So guys, this is the entrance of the camp. Welcome to Sea Beach Camping. These are the tents. उन्होंने हमें बोला कि कुछ 130 लोग या उससे भी ज़्यादा है फॉर दिस वीकेंड. हम लोग एक्चुअली लेट आए तो हमें पीछे वाला टेंट मिला. अदरवाइज जो लोग जल्दी आए उन्होंने आगे वाला टेंट ले रखा है. सो ये जो है यहाँ पे आई गेस डीजे होगा और इसके जस्ट आगे इज द बीच. काफ़ी नज़दीक है बीच. Guys, this is the barbecue. Barbecue chicken, barbecue paneer. Looks yummy. Guys, this is our barbecue. After a long wait, we finally got our chicken barbecue and veg barbecue. Chicken barbecue consists only of chicken and veg barbecue consists of paneer pieces and potato. Both look yummy. So people are having crazy fun. So guys, our dinner is here. I've got rice with chicken curry, some paneer mutton, some salad, this dal, chapati and little chole. So I've got a mix of veg and non-veg both. Hey guys, so it's 12:20 a.m. right now. We had our dinner. We just, went to the beach. We took a stroll on the beach and it was amazing. Night walks are always good. That's what I feel. And now it's time for some live music. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of our camping vlog. It's 8:45 a.m. in the morning. We woke up sometime before. We brushed our teeth, and now we are about to have our breakfast. Breakfast में there is कांदे पोहे and चाय. कल रात हम ऑलमोस्ट 2 बजे तक बीच पे ही बैठे थे एकदम शांत. Just the waves and us. It was so soothing. It was so nice. जनरली ये मुंबई में करने नहीं मिलता. तो वी हैड लाइक हमारा दिल करे तब तक हम बैठे थे. एंड उसके बाद तो नाच गाना ही चल रहा था. पहले लाइव म्यूजिक था, उसके बाद डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस एंड एवरीथिंग. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई कुडंट शूट बिकॉज माई फोन्स बैटरी वॉज डेड, बट इट वॉज फन. सो उसकी वजह से हमें सोने में काफी देर हो गई, बट स्टिल वी आर फ्रेश लाइक फ्लावर. तो yes, we are about to have our breakfast now, and इसके बाद we'll go to the beach. This is our breakfast, and this is the other stuff we got. Have some. I am at the beach, guys. So this is Revdanda beach. As you can see, it is clean and exactly opposite to our beach. Yeah, that's our campsite. Hey guys, so we are back from the beach. We played a lot and there were not many people at the beach. It was clean. People were just like having their own good times, and so were we. So yes, we are back from the beach, and we are not just back from the beach, but we also packed our bags, and now we are about to leave because the checkout time was of 11 a.m. It's already 10:45 a.m. and so we have to say bye bye to this place now. It was a fun experience, guys. I recommend you to visit here once because number one, it is a beachside camping, so you will, for those of you who are beach lovers like me, you will have a good time. You will have a really good time. If you are coming to Alibag for beach camping, then plan in advance, like leave home early, not like us 3 hours late. So yeah, keep that in mind because it is quite inside. So the 3 reasons why I would like to recommend this place is because number one, the hospitality is very good. Number two, the food is good. Even though we carried extra food, we didn't have to open much of the packets because the barbecue, like the misal pav, dinner, breakfast, everything was good. And except for the barbecue, everything else was unlimited. So yeah. And the third thing is because beach is at a walking distance of 1 minute. So yes, you can go to the beach anytime, at night, in the morning. So yes, these are the 3 reasons why I highly recommend this place. The only thing you have to think about is there are only 2 washrooms here. So but they are clean. But still, if you are in a hurry to go to the washroom, you have to literally wait in a long queue before your number arrives. So yes, that's the only drawback. I won't say it's a drawback, but yeah, that's the thing you have to keep in mind. So it's time to say bye bye to this place and leave. So guys, अभी मैं कैंपिंग साइट के बाहर हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर हूँ, वेटिंग फॉर टमटम जो हमें अलीबाग तक छोड़ेगा. अलीबाग पहुंच गए हैं रेवदंडा से. रेवदंडा हाई स्कूल के वहाँ पे टमटम मिलती है शेयरिंग बेसिस पे. वो अलीबाग तक पहुंच जाती है. अप्रोक्सीमेटली 33-35 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन शेयरिंग बेसिस पे होता है. अगर आप सेपरेट टैक्सी करोगे तो आपको 500 प्लस जाएगा, विच इज़ टू मच. सो it is always preferable to you go by TumTum. And yes, तो हम फाइनली यहाँ पे है एंड इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लंच टाइम. हमें भूख लगी थी तो और हमने ये दत्त कृपा करके छोटा सा बेसिक सा ऐसा घरगुती रेस्टोरेंट नोटिस किया एंड वी थॉट कि वी शुड हैव आवर लंच हियर. So yes, because Alibag is known for its homemade fish food, and this restaurant serves it. So and there is a good variety of menu. तो हमने सोचा कि यहीं से कुछ खा लेते हैं. मैंने ऑर्डर किया है प्रॉन थाली एंड माय फ्रेंड हियर हैज ऑर्डर वेजिटेबल थाली बिकॉज ही इज अ वेजिटेरियन. So let's see how the food is. So guys, our food has arrived. I mean, look at my thali. These are the fried prawns with some sol curry, some rice, some prawns curry, and zawra. Yum yum yum. And this is the veg thali. It also looks nice. Chole dal. What is this? Hirva watana ki usar and rice, bhakri and papad. Yay! Hey guys, I'm in the bus now. We are in Shivshahi air-conditioned bus from Alibag to Thane. It's a direct bus. Actually हमने सोचा था कि हम दोनों टाइम फेरी से आएंगे और जाएंगे, बट एक टाइम का ही ट्रैवलिंग इतना ज़्यादा हो गया that we are so exhausted and we decided that we'll go directly by the bus. And yes, so overall experience was good. I recommend beach camping for those who really want, who really are beach lovers and also want to experience a different kind of camping. And the details of the guy who arranges these camps will be given in the description box below. Do contact him for any reservations or whatever. And okay, with this I end this video. If you haven't watched my other videos like travel, makeup, food, then do watch them. Their links will also be given in the description box below. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See ya!